10 sliced bacon triple
Oh!
cheese milk for 2.5.
They're on their way. I see him. I see him. I see him.
Let's go.
I see him. Get out of this
Are
car.
they open? Where?
Get out right now.
Where are they?
It was all for naught.
Jen, get in.
Look, right? Look,
Jen.
baby, look. Is that really the horn? Oh my god.
Yeah, this is my custom bike. Oh,
Oh
Jen,
god,
look what you did.
Robbie.
I'm gonna take this one. Fuck it.
I'll take care of these guys. Oh shit! I blew up too early. I blew my load. There we go. Fucking hell! Take that bike.
You
Honk
got
the
me
clown
killed.
horn. Avenge me. Hey Jade, wait, this is Jade. Turn around, Jade.
I'm right here.
Never mind. My bike's right around the corner. Fuck you. I'm going. Thank you for stopping. I appreciate the gesture.
Oh shit!
Oh god, what?
Drive! Oh my god, that
Cops
horn!
aren't after me. I'm just being annoying. I'm giving your sound of the cop chase some theme music.
God damn it.
The horn is so good.
Baby, what the fuck?
I hated you guys. Go, please go.
It may not mean nothing to y'all.
I like your mask.
Thank you, it was expensive. Spend my apartment money on it.
We gotta go off the road somewhere, I don't know.
To Mount Chili Dad. Oh god, I'm out of water and I'm out of drink.
Oh,
This is
sorry,
a problem.
sorry.
Sorry, then? You just ran into us like 20 times. And you're sorry, then?
I shot you guys with an SMG. That was an accident.
At least you didn't blow us up.
When I was waiting for you to come pick me up and I was just standing there, some guy called me an idiot for not picking up a car.
Wow.
Yeah. That happened. Stop it!
It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Just flipping everybody off. Oh shit!
Oh god!
Oh god!
They'll never know it was me. Oh, I said that too soon.
Why did you do that? That's mean.
Making a clean break.